Alright, so we're back from the store, which I went to yesterday, but um this is all that I got. I got more. I got more. I'm lying. So but this is a short, so I'm gonna try to make this fast. We got 20, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, so $50 gamble. Gonna scratch them and then we will come back and show you the results. Dollar. So we got $10. All right, I like starting out for winners. All right, let's see if 25 and 26 was a waste. Hopefully not, but y'all know how these $5 tickets are. All right, we're looking for a gold nugget, and of course we get the corn. I hate the corn. Don't know why I hate. All right, y'all, I was wrong. So we won $5. All right, bust on that one. Maybe I will play the crossword. Let's just go for the gold. Go for the big boy out of this 22. No 22, got a 21. And 37, got a 38. Alright, that's another bus. Alright, y'all, so my editing skills obviously suck, but let me give y'all a recap. So we won 5 on this silver and gold, 10 on number 24, busted on these two on 25 and 26, busted on the triple jackpot, and a bust on the Gold Rush Legacy. So out of the 50, we only won $15. All right, y'all. Good luck to everyone else. Send some my way, because, yeah. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.